Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making frangipane. In my bowl I'm going to add flour, and butter. I'm then going to rub it through my fingers until it makes breadcrumbs. I'm now going to add in a tablespoon of caster sugar, and 2 egg yolks. And mix it until it comes together. I'm also going to add a tiny bit of water to bring the dough together until it forms a dough ball. I'm now going to put it in the fridge to chill for 15 minutes. While my pastry is chilling in the fridge, I'm going to mix my frangipane together. First, I'm going to cream together sugar and butter. Now going to add the almonds in. Three-quarter teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 egg. Finally, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of plain flour. Now that my dough has chilled, I'm going to roll it out to the size of my dish. I added my pastry to a buttered dish. I'm now going to cut away any excess. I'm now going to add my frangipane into the middle of my tart. I'm now going to bake it in the oven for 25 minutes or until the top goes nice and firm like a cake. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.